Good morning.
Good morning.
So, how you doing today? How are you?
Fine. Good. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm excited to have you in my class today. So, welcome back to class. The last time we stopped at page 10, and today we are going to move forward. We are going to move to page 11. Let's go to page 11. Ça veut dire page 11.
Page 11.
Good, page 11. And page 11, there is a conversation. What is the title of the conversation?
The title of the conversation is.
Oh no.
No.
Okay. Oh no. If you look at, qu'est-ce que if te veut dire? Si. If you look at, ça veut dire if you look at. Si vous regardez the picture on the right. Image à droite là. Pas oublier on the right, traduit à droite. If you look at the picture on the right, you will see. Là, me dit you will see. Dans qui t'en fait blaguer? Future. Ça fait nous connaître future parce que gagné will. Très bien. Pas dire will, non, c'est will. Très bien. If you look at the picture on the right, you will see two people. Where are the people? Where are the people? Ça veut dire where are the people? Non, pas côté peuple là, c'est côté moun yo. Moun yo ye, bon bagay. Côté moun yo ye. The people are on the street. Nous yon machine dans route là, dans la rue ya. Comme yo dit machine? Car. Et nous yon enseigne, bien yon pancarte. Comme yo dit pancarte? Sign. Nous te wèl dans dernier coup nous an. Comment nous clé tout, comme yo te dit clé? Key. Très bien, c'est key. Pas dit key, non, c'est key. Very good. So, there are two people on the street. Ça veut dire there are two people on the street. Deux moun dans la rue. Yeah? There are two people on the street and they are walking. L'homme dit they are walking. Qui verbe moi utiliser là? Verbe to walk qui n'a présent continue. Très bien. There are two people on the street and they are walking. They are going to open the car. Now let's listen to the conversation. What are the names of the people? Ça veut dire what are the names of the people? Qui non Munyo. Non Munyo c'est Kate and Joe, pas vrai? On a encore what are the names of the people? Kate and Joe. Now let's listen to the conversation between Kate and Joe. Ça veut dire let's listen to the conversation between Kate and Joe. Entre Kate et Joe. Bon bagay. Let's go. Let's listen to the conversation.
Page 11, Exercise 7, Conversation. Oh no! Listen and practice.
Oh no! Where are my car keys?
I don't know. Are they in your purse?
No, they're not.
Maybe they're on the table in the restaurant.
Okay. Now let's go back. Let's play the conversation again. On arrête, n'attendez pour nous dire ça blandia. D'accord? Comment vous me dites écouter? Listen. Comment vous me dites traduire? Translate. Now, I want you to listen and translate the conversation. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, let's go.
Listen and practice.
Oh no! Where are my car keys?
Ça le dit là. Oh no! Where are my car keys? Ça le traduit en créole.
Oh non. Côté machine.
Clé machine moi yo. Côté clé machine moi yo.
I don't know. Are they in your purse?
Ça monsieur a dit là. En anglais d'abord. I don't know. Are they in your purse? Ça veut dire I don't know. Et are they in your purse?
Est-ce que yo pa nan bousou?
Très bien. Est-ce que vous pas dans bousou? Pas oublier purse, c'est en fait l'homme dit bousou, c'est on parler de valise, valise mesdames. Si c'est petit bous mesdames mettez comme là, il y aurait le wallet. Wallet, même genre garçon gagne un wallet. Mais ça quand même mesdames yo gagne, yo qu'on a l'église, yo aurait le purse. Très bien.
Oh, they're not.
No, they're not. Yo pas là? Yo pas là-dedans.
Maybe they're on the table in the restaurant.
Il dit, maybe they are on the table in the restaurant. Ça traduit.
Peut-être
Yo sous table là dans un restaurant. Comment on dit peut-être encore? Maybe. Okay, great job. You did a great job. So thank you so much for studying. Thank you so much for coming to class. It was nice seeing you today. Bye. I will see you next time.
Bye.
Grâce à POH Academy, le savoir est à portée de clic aujourd'hui. Allez sur pohinstitute.com, choisis Couvléa et démarrez études là. POH Academy, le leader de la formation en ligne.